Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive the easy way. This is the official Microsoft way so that you can reinstall Windows on your computer. You don't have to use any third-party tools whatsoever. Let's get started. So by creating this USB, this is going to fix 70 to 90% of PC problems. As an IT field technician, when you have this tool, it allows you to reinstall Windows from scratch, repair corrupted operating systems, and fix most problems on broken PCs. So you're going to save a lot of time. Before we begin, you're going to want to have three things, and that's going to be a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigs, Windows PC, and it's going to take about 30 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. Keep in mind that if you have anything on your flash drive, you want to save it because this process is going to reformat and pretty much clean the USB drive. So the first step is to download the Windows 10 installation, and so you want to navigate to the official website, and you can do that by just Googling Microsoft Windows download page, and then it's going to bring you here. So Google Microsoft Windows download page, and it's going to bring you here, and you can click on this, and it's going to take you to the official website. And this is where you're going to just click the blue button to download. Once you download, it's going to download a media creation tool exe file, and that is what you're going to use to download the Windows. So just double click it. It's going to ask you for permissions, and you just click accept, and that's going to bring you to like a licensing page. One thing to keep in mind and remember during this process, it's going to give you an option to upgrade your PC or to create a USB. Don't click upgrade PC. Click the second option, create the USB, and you'll be fine. So on step 5, you're going to select your USB, and it's going to take a little while to download the files. Like I said, keep in mind that it's going to erase all the data if you had anything on it previously. So once the installation is completed, you can open up your file manager, and your folders should look like this. And so this is verifying that you have completed the download and everything was success. So I used a Lenovo 11E. It's just my test computer. So I use a 11E to reinstall the Windows. And so in order to verify, you're going to want to power off the machine and then restart it, and immediately start clicking, if it's the Lenovo, F12. Once you click F12, it's going to take you to the BIOS boot manager, and that's where you'll see your USB listed. After that, then this is the ultimate verification and proof. You can select the USB drive from the boot menu and click enter, and then this is going to prove that your USB has been created correctly and successfully, because it's going to bring you to the Windows setup menu. And that's it. And you have successfully created a Windows 10 USB that you can now fix most computer problems. And so here's a little step-by-step checklist of what we just did. And now you're ready to fix PCs like a pro. Congratulations. Thank you for watching my channel and watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more.